Hi everyone, I am Jagmeet Kaur, and in this video we are going to discuss how to see logs in Optimizely CMS. So let's get started. So just go to the settings. Then if you scroll down, you will be able to see change logs. So here you will be able to get the report. Say this says that you can just put the start date. Let's put some start date from the past year, from 24. Let's say put July as a start date and today is an end date. Okay. What's the category what report you want? Content types, let's say content. Maximum number of items per page. You can change it with whichever you want. Start with the sequence number. You can put it 1 or 0, whatever you want. Change by, if you want the change by some particular user, you can just add the name, include the archive, then click on read. So you will be able to get all the list of items that have recently changed. It will have the sequence number, date changed, category, to which category it belongs, action, it's a created, publish, okay. And then the changed by the username, then date on which it is changed. So all the information we will be able to find here. That's it for looking at the logs in Optimizely CMS. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you want interested in more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.